Okay, by now you should have got your little electric motor working and running. So let's break it down and see what the different parts do. On the top, you have a magnet. And the magnet has positive and negative polarity. I'm sure you've seen this before when you have played with magnets. If I get two sides, positive and negative together, they'll attract each other. If I get sides with the same polarity, they will repel each other. Notice I can't stick them together. Forcing, it flies away. We're going to use that later on into the motor. The next part is the battery. The battery is a chemical device inside. It has potential energy, means the energy is stored in it, we're not using it yet. A chemical reaction is used to create an electrical energy once it's put into a circuit. So our potential energy is a transformation energy of taking a chemical energy and turning it into electrical energy. The coil, in electric we will call it an inductor. What it does, it causes a little resistance. And when electricity runs through it from the battery, it will create an electrical field floating around. And the electrical field will also have positive and negative energy. In a motor or in a generator, we call this little coil an inductor. Or more specifically in a motor, we call it the armature. The entire thing together, the motor and the coil and the paper clips, allows a closed circuit, which means electrical energy can flow through the entire circuit. It comes out of one end of the battery, it travels up the paper clip, which is metal, so it's a conductor. It touches the copper on the armature or coil, which is also a conductor, goes around our circle, comes across, hits the other paper clip, goes back down into the battery. Thus, it's a complete circuit allowing current to flow. Since the current is flowing, it will react. It has positive and negative in. It will react with the battery. And I mentioned opposites attract, like repels. The going around from the electrical field and the mechanical, in the electrical field and the magnetic field will react with each other, causing the armature to spin. What's happening is it's switching back and forth from positive to negative quickly. As you can see, positive electric, positive magnet repels. Positive electric, negative magnet will attract. The negative electric, negative magnet will repel again. Negative electric, positive magnet will attract. That's what causes it to spin. The spinning is an example of electrical energy being transformed into mechanical energy. The spinning is a rotational energy. By hooking items to the end here on our armature, we can use it to power hard drive, CD player, record players if you're old enough to remember them, car engines, the electric window on your car, anything that spins, mostly anything that moves that runs off electricity is running off in a basic electric motor like this. Are there any questions? There will be a series of questions after these online. These are also covered on a PDF, which is on the website. That's where those magnificent pictures come from. So if you weren't here to build one or run off the video. Thank you.